Guys, just want to do a very quick video. If your Samsung Galaxy S23 has suddenly died and it just won't turn back on, it won't charge no matter what you do, you've tried the holding down of the volume down button and the power button, that doesn't do anything, and you're just like absolutely annoyed and you're frustrated, make sure you're using a genuine Samsung charging port. Because when I was away on a business trip for 2 days, my phone was dead and the charging port that I brought with me was not a genuine one, just wouldn't do anything. But when I got back home, as soon as I plugged the sucker back into this genuine Samsung charging port, it turned back on, all good. All right, hope that works for you. Take it easy.